So in many ways, the contact module in Drupal 8 covers a lot of the use cases that normally you'd need to install the Webform module for. But it doesn't cover everything, which is why Webform is still being ported to Drupal 8. In this Drupal 7 site, I've installed Webform so we can take a look at the options available and compare them. So I'm going to go to Content, Add Content, and then Webform. We'll give it a title, we'll click Save. And now this components part is kind of similar. We can add a series of types, not all of which are available through Drupal 8, but most of which are. But the real differences come with the conditional inputs. So through this, if we add a condition, we can say that if a certain field is a certain value, then we're going to display another field or change the value of another field. Also, if we look at the email section, we can send multiple emails to different people with different contents depending on what is in the form. So if we add an address here and we click Add, we can set a lot of details about what that email will look like. We can change the subject, the from address, the from name, and we can set up a template to display bits of that form in different ways. And we can send multiple emails to different email addresses with different content in each one. Webform also saves the results of the submissions. So in addition to getting an email when you submit a form, there's also a database entry that you can review later on your site. And also Webform supports multiple pages, so you can have a multi-step form. So if you don't have the need for any of those particular features of Webform, you can get away with using the form builder in Drupal 8.